Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time I think we're gonna go crazy. It's been a while since I have the feeling that I'm confined to do something precise, you know. So you know that I don't like it. I don't like to be confined to something specific, if you want. But now I think we're gonna go crazy. We're gonna do the opposite of what the others do, meaning that we're going to put some varnish in, but first I'm going to put some gesso on my canvas. I'm not going to let it dry all the way through, but afterwards I'm going to put some varnish on it. Then I'm going to put some acrylic. I'm going to put only 3 colors, but in those 3 colors I'm going to put silicone, glue and alcohol. So I think it's going to be interesting what's going to happen, because I don't think we ever did that before, that mixed up, if you want. So guys, there's only one way to find out, is to go and do it. Let's go at it. guys, I don't know for you, but for me it's great. Once again, we always have some surprise when we do dirty pouring. It's almost every time it's a nice surprise. So like always, I think this time was a nice surprise. As I'm speaking to you, like always, I don't see it dry yet. So I know it's working, but it's not working as much as is done usually when we put only silicone. You know, when we put only silicone and we do example flip cup, I think the cells are getting more and more bigger every time when we do only silicone. This time, I don't know if because we put a lot of product that are contradictory to each other, but we put white glue, we put silicone, and we put alcohol. So it's all medium that's supposed to make some cells. I don't know what happens, but I think at some point, even if I did burn it, so I did try to make some cell out of it, but there's some cell, but they're very small. But in a way, it's very nice though. So I think that, well, like always, you know, like we always say, it's subjective, but I think it's a nice piece. I think it's something that it's fun to do. And it's unusual. I don't know if it's worth to put all those ingredients together, but you see it because it's dry when you see it. So maybe it is. It's something that, like we say, subjective, to each his own. So guys, on that note, I hope you enjoy. I hope you're gonna come back, and thank you for always being there with me. And this keeps me going. So guys, like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. So take care, see you on the next video. Ciao.